Okay, I've got a little instruction here on how to assemble one of these black diamond wood splitters. You're going to need some heavy lifting equipment. Block and tackle I used. After you rip a box open, just pull out all the loose items. While you've got the engine out, you can whack some 30W oil in. That's the axle assembly. That's not too heavy, you can pull that out. Have a look at the axles. One of them was really poor quality on mine. The thread was barely usable. Anyway, the bearings fitted okay in the end, and I put the wheels on, and that was the first step done. Then using the block and tackle, I took the weight of the unit from the centre using the sling and just bashed out one end of the crate and laid it on the floor. Then just pretty much put the drawbar on. That was only a couple of bolts, and that bolted on no problems at all. Then using the sling, I hoisted it up into the vertical position, then wheeled the drawbar up to it and just whacked the pin in. And then I had the ram supported just in case as well while I was doing all that. I had to bolt the pump onto the engine after I mounted the engine on to make sure that that little spacer ring goes on before you put the key into the shaft. You just slide the pump on and just make sure everything's all nice and tight. You can see how the dog clutch is just in there. Clean the dust out of the hose before you put the hose on. There was a bit of dust in there. There's a little cover that fits over that rotating piece there. Connect the hydraulic hoses as per the instructions. It was pretty simple, as you can sort of see from the picture there. When you fill it up with oil, you'll see that hose begin to fill up with oil, which is a good thing. Then put the fenders on, and you're pretty much ready to go. So this is me giving it its first go.